Docking Bay 7. My favorite restaurant, pretty much, in Disney World. Has awesome theming and some great food. It's all like Star Wars themed food. It's pretty cool. You can sit down in the restaurant. So I got the Felucian, Kefta, and Hummus garden spread. The thing is awesome. I got it the last time I was here. Look at this, just the food service thing is awesome. And even the credit card machine had like a Star Wars theme to it. Is this the droid we're looking for? Check out how awesome this dining room is. I'm gonna dock right here. And this is what my meal looks like. Got some kefta, some hummus, some pita bread. Super cool. So that's the door we came in back there, and we're gonna try this exit. Haven't been out this way yet. A lot of seating here. Just wait. If it's too busy, you'll find a seat eventually. There's some spots outside too. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.